there is a moment here where those voyaging in consciousness can experience this paradigm shift. And it is a paradigm shift.
Absolutely. And we know when we shift our paradigm, it changes our reality.
It changes our reality, right? And there's nothing to indicate to me, over a half century on the planet, more than half a century on the planet, that this wider paradigm doesn't bring more well-being and joy. It truly allows you to relax out of the us and them and the tension that the culture holds around that. And I would even say our media and our news. So everyone who's watching the news is just repeating the us and them, and a mouthpiece for an old paradigm. It's an old paradigm.
So we need to tune in to these, whether it's channels or programs or books like your new book that I definitely want to talk about, that help us to experience this new paradigm.
Because you have to have an experience with it. You can't be in your conceptual, rational mind, which is part of, I think, the evolution that is occurring, which is why I think quantum physics has been slow to make a dent in the everyday consciousness.
Because we're so addicted to being in our heads. We're so addicted to the analytical, intellectual understanding of things, instead of taking that 18-inch journey and living more through our heart brain, if you will.
Well, I'm going to say it even further. Not our heart brain, but the skin is our major sensory system. Through our sensory system. Through our sensory system. So we can be participatory with the quantum, of which avails itself, and be in the felt sense of that, which is a little bit different than just bringing it into the heart. It's about, perhaps it's an evolution that is occurring in the human species.